as we begin to wrap up, many listeners or viewers or people who watch this channel regularly are thinking about practical decisions for the year ahead for household, businesses, and investors planning for 2026. What are the key investment mistakes you think they should avoid in the current economic outlook?
For businesses,
yes,
don't borrow early in the year because it will be suicidal. But what you'd have done is that you'd have borrowed at elevated level. So for businesses, if you are not pressed for liquidity, don't borrow at the beginning of the year. But if you are pressed for liquidity, you can borrow for a short period, so that you can roll in a short roll over the loan at a lower rate. For individuals looking to invest, the best time to invest is now. And sometimes by this time last year, the DMO was in the market, issued the first bond 2035 at 22.5.
Yeah.
And that was the great time. There was no 22.5 again. So it simply means that those that missed that window, they are not able to actually benefit subsequently after. So the window is still very much open. Yields are still at elevated levels. They are still currently trading north of 17%. Most especially when you are looking at the mid-tenor of the instrument. So it means that if you are not a short-term investor, if you are a medium to long-term investor, you can lock into some of these bond instruments, the 2031, 32, 33, 34, 2035 as well, and 2029. They'll give you a very good return that can actually help you preserve your. And if you're a short-term investor, the treasury window is still very much open. There will be another one next week. The GMO will still be coming back to the market next week to actually raise for. So it simply means that position yourself to actually invest. You can still actually boast of a 20 to 21% return in the treasury bills market if you are well positioned. So when you look at this, it means a very good one. And also, if you are someone that can take additional risk, equity markets also there. I've mentioned some of the sector that I feel that will actually try very well this year. So you can also capitalize on this and take advantage of it. So another mistake you should not make is that don't do MMM. Be very careful. Invest and don't gamble. There's difference between investment and gambling. So ensure that whatever you are doing is an investment and not gambling.
Yeah, I think MMM is, an acronym for anyone looking to make it real quick, like invest and then it's going to double in a couple of weeks or thereabout. It's always important to, take calculated rates. For instance, if you invest in an index that tracks the exchange, your return in the last 3 years should have averaged about 40%.
Yes.
So what's more than that you want to get? About 40% return.
And if you have been investing since 2023, you would have done over 100%.
That's what I'm saying. So you'd have at least over 100%. So it's better that way than for you to start investing in MMM. Do you have any word for cryptocurrency investors, or you think it's still a good asset to invest in 2026?
I think that in such a time like this, when there's volatility, my word is that be very careful out there.
Yeah, it's not for everyone, actually. It's not for everyone.